Hello and welcome to Mrs. D's Baking TV, the remix edition. Here on today's video, I am going to show you again how to make a delicious king cake. Why? Because it's Mardi Gras season here in Louisiana. Laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. So follow along as I show you step by step on how to create your own delicious king cake. Why buy one from the grocery store when you can make your own? You're going to heat your butter and milk for about 60 to 90 seconds if you use a microwave, but I love doing mine on the stove. Set it aside because you want it to reach at least between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, you're going to take your sugar and your yeast, combine that together, and let that yeast come to a foamy consistency for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, once that yeast is all foamy and bubbly, you are going to add all those ingredients to a bowl along with eggs, and add your flour 1 cup at a time. Continue mixing until your dough forms a sticky ball. On medium for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn your dough out onto a floured surface, knead it a few times until it's nice and smooth. In a clean bowl, you're going to take that dough and add it. Make sure that you grease that bowl because you don't want your beautiful dough to stick to the sides. Cover it with plastic wrap for 1 to 2 hours in a warm space. Now while your dough is proofing, it should double in size. Go ahead and mix together your fillings. Now in this particular video, I did a cinnamon filling with brown sugar, cinnamon, and all those wonderful warm spices, and a little butter. I also did a cream cheese filling, which is my favorite. So go ahead, take that dough out of the bowl after it has risen. We are going to take the dough and you want to divide it into 2. Place it on a floured surface and you want to stretch it out to about a 10 by 16 inch rectangle. Using a pizza cutter, cut it in half, lengthwise, and then add all your wonderful fillings. Pinch, 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 so none of those fillings fall out. Now take your dough and create a 2-strand rope braid, taking your dough and taking one side over the other. Then you're going to shape it into a traditional king cake oval. Now we're going to let this dough rise a second time. Make sure that you cover it with cling wrap or saran wrap. Let it rise for a second time. Then we're going to preheat our oven to 335 degrees. We're going to bake our beautiful king cakes 25 to 30 minutes or until they're golden brown. In the meantime, you also, if you want to, you can top your king cake with the Mardi Gras colors of gold, purple, and yellow. And there you have it, a beautiful king cake for everyone to enjoy. That's good. Thanks for joining me today on Mrs. D's Baking TV Remix. Remember, have you some king cake, celebrate Mardi Gras. Be blessed. Bye.